Hello, animal food detectives. Today, we're on a wild adventure to find out what animals eat. Let's start with the herbivores. These animals love plants. Cows eat grass, elephants enjoy leaves, and rabbits munch on veggies like carrots. Next, meet the carnivores, meat lovers. Lions chase prey, eagles catch fish, and snakes quietly gulp down smaller animals. And now the omnivores, they eat both plants and animals. Bears enjoy berries and fish. Even pigs and we humans are omnivores. Can you guess which of these is a carnivore? What about an omnivore? Pause the video and take a guess and write down your answer in the comment box. Great job, detectives! You've learned that animals eat different things depending on what they are and where they live. Keep exploring nature.